Question 5 of PSSD and 2. Question 5 of this previous question paper. Question 5. Let us look at it. Let us look at it. Figure 5 below shows a junction between a hexagonal pipe and a round pipe. A hexagonal pipe and a round pipe. So draw to a scale 1:1 the front view, the left view, the line of penetration, the development of the pattern around a round pipe, the shape of the hole of the shape of the hole in the hexagonal pipe. So let us start. So you'd be advisable to start a little bit right center of your drawing sheet, so that you have space for your development of this round pipe of yours and the shape of the hole. We understand. So let us start. The hexagonal one, it is the across the flat hexagon. So they said use a scale of 1:1. So I see a dimension of 20 millimeter. So I am going to open my drawing compass to that 20 millimeter, because at the end I must get a hexagon of 20 millimeter, isn't it? So 0, there is my 20 millimeter. So somewhere here I can draw. Okay, let me go down a little bit. If then I can draw diameter 20. I draw it faint. Then from there I can have horizontal center line. As well as the vertical one. So I take my drawing compass. Since I want to get a hexagon that is across the flat, I am going to use the vertical center line. You understand? I place my drawing compass here, further extend to the center, which is this one. Then I strike an arc here and I strike an arc there. So I come to the upper one, place my drawing compass here, further extend to the center, strike an arc here, strike an arc here. So now I can have this one from here till there dark, from here till there dark. Then take a 30 millimeter ruler. There you go. Like this you can go. There we go. Here you go. So now let me check, is it 20 millimeter? Yes, it is 20 millimeter. 20 millimeter. 20 millimeter. So that's how we draw a across the flat hexagon, 20 millimeter. So we've drew this one. So now we don't know the dimension from here till there. You see that we are not told, so we must come back this side, approaching the what called the front view. So front view. So I am going to measure 30 millimeter, not a dimension not less than 20 millimeter. So why am I saying 30 not 20? Because you see, if you trace this one, you understand, it's a little bit outer, so I don't want it to interfere with my left view. Understand? So there is my 30. Then I can have the vertical faint line. So now I can take this point horizontal to this side, this one as well, there it goes, this one as well, there it goes, this one as well, there it goes. Understand? So I come and record the dimension dimension of what? Of 70. From here till there 70. So which means from here till there, along this horizontal faint line, I can record 70 millimeter. So there is 70. Then from here till there, I can have it dark without fear or favor, since we can see it's a dark. You understand? So where your 70 ends, I can put a horizontal, a vertical center line. So from here I can now have this one dark, this one dark, this one further extended just a little bit. This one I cannot have it dark yet, complete this one, because there is that branch pipe, cylindrical, this one, you understand? So now we are told there is a center. So from here till there is 70 millimeter, the half of 70 is going to be 35, isn't it? Get that center, 70 divided by 2, we are getting 35 millimeter. So there it is, the center. So you must draw it as a center, you understand? Right, from there we are told there is this one, it has been joined at an angle of 45 degrees anti-clockwise direction, you understand? So I can erase this one just a little bit, because I'm supposed to end here, isn't it? Before it disturbs me. The center, let's see how long is it supposed to be. From here going up, you are going to measure 50 millimeter. 50 millimeter. So my 50 is ending there. Then from there I put a perpendicular line against this center of mine, you understand? Then from there is diameter 30, from here till here is diameter 30. So I am going to open it to 15, which is the half of 30, isn't it? Then let me measure 20 millimeter, because I'm drawing the auxiliary. There it is. Then from there I'll draw it faint. This is it. Where was I placing my drawing compass? There. Then I can put the center line, which is perpendicular to this one. Then from there I can now take this, so I know what is going to be dark from here to there, you understand?